So now let's see how we can work around with the behavior options inside of HitFilm. So over here you can see that I have a footage, and to explore the behavior options you need to go around under effects right here and under the behavior folder. So over here you can see that there are various effects that you can try over here. For example, there's acceleration right here, which is layer only, so this needs to be a composite shot. So let's just go around over here and make it a composite shot right here. So let's just go around onto acceleration right here. So what happens is that I can go around and change around the acceleration right here, just like this. And you can see that this is what you have right here. So there's slowly an acceleration of the footage right here, just like this. You can go around and change around the orientation of the acceleration right here, and you can see the starting point right here, just like this. And this is what is acceleration is. Similarly, there are other behaviors right here that you can try out. So there are many behaviors, like there's a track tool right here, just like this. So you can go around over here and you can go around and choose a particular target. Let's say, for example, if I were to go around over here, let me just go around over here itself and then select out another media right here. Let's say, for example, this one over here. And then what you can do is you can go around and use the attract to and choose the target. And what happens is that it simply goes around and then goes towards its target right here. So that is what you can do. So there are different behaviors right here, just like this, that you can try out. So there are many that you can try out right here. So there's down inset, as you can see right here. So you can go around and it's like going down right here. So it simply goes around and then changes around the position, as you can see right here. And all of the layers are just like that. There's fly in and others as well. Let me just go around and delete out this layer right here and keep this layer in between itself. So there's behaviors such as fly in, which is more like flying in right here. So all of the behaviors are position based, as you can see right here. So you can go around over here and then you can see that there's left roll right here, just like this. So let's just go around and try that out. So this is left roll, as you can see right here. From a left to right, it just rolls out, as you can see right there. So let me just go around and delete this as well. And over here you can see that there's up inset over here, so you can go around and insert this out. So over here you can see that there's this up inset right here. It gets inserted from up right there. So if I were to go around on to zoom out, then there's zoom out over here, just like this right here. Zoom out effect right here. And that is how you can work around with the behavior effects that you can access through this folder right here under effects menu right here. And there's various position based effects that you can apply to your video footage to make it interesting. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.